Welcome to the AgriGrand Garden. In this video, I'm going to show you around the different plants, fruits, and fauna that are in my summer garden. Make sure to stay around to see tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, okra, eggplant, zucchini, Fortnite, and just beautiful views of a beautiful garden. When harvesting okra, make sure to cut the fruit when it's about 2 inches. When it gets more mature, it gets more fibrous and harder to eat. The only reason when you would want it like that is when you're harvesting the seeds. If you haven't already, go check out the video where I build this trellis archway, and you can just see how well it did holding tomatoes and cucumbers. Well, maybe not the cucumbers, but that's because this is late in the growing season. It's time to start harvesting some fruit. You can see by the way these tomatoes grew, they pressed against each other and left this indented mark. So unfortunately my cucumbers are done here, but it is the end of the growing season and I have one last harvest, so let's make this count. So one of the things that probably could have been done differently to avoid your cucumbers completely wilting like this is to space it out more. Maybe not plant as much the next growing season. That will definitely be something that I will consider. As you can tell, they definitely caught some type of disease, most likely powdery mildew or anthracnose. There is also another video where I dissect another one of my cucumbers that I planted in a different area that caught the same disease, but this is very common. So I'm going to take this down, put it in a separate disposal container, make sure I do not let this get too involved with my other plants because they are still growing well and we want them to continue to do good until they naturally go. So the best way to stop your peppers from falling on the ground or touching the ground and getting diseased or eaten is to stake them. As you saw, I use bamboo, but you can use really anything you want. This is why you don't want it to sit near the ground. You can eat the peppers when they're fresh and green like this, or you can wait until they're darkening and become more red like the ones you saw in the beginning, where they got super bright red, and that means they're more mature and they're even hotter. This eggplant just goes to show another reason why you want to try to keep your fruit off the ground. You can see that there's insects that dug into this and laid their larva, which is now eating inside the eggplant to become an adult insect, to then go continue and eat more fruit. It's a never-ending cycle. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please make sure to throw a thumbs up or make a comment. We would gladly appreciate it.